Dymax is a global company, but it still has that small family feel to it that I really enjoy.
I initially joined Dymax due to the culture, the work environment, and the benefits. Just seemed like the right place to work and a really fulfilling job.
We are constantly innovating new technologies, new chemistries, and we're working with customers who are doing the same in their fields.
We always work together, and when I say we, I don't mean my direct teammates. I mean we as the whole business. So I'm constantly working with the adhesive side of the business, people in application engineering, the people out on the manufacturing floor. Things don't move forward unless we have buy-in from all the departments, especially in new product development.
Culture here is really good. Everyone's very supportive, they want to see you grow.
Managers, supervisors really allow their employees to be proactive in creating those kind of goals and structuring what their day-to-day looks like as long as they're meeting those objectives.
When I started at Dymax, I was a little nervous because I had no manufacturing experience, but soon to find out they would give me all of the training that I need for my role.
Here at Dymax, we offer a lot different opportunities for employees for training and education. We have Dymax Learning, where you can actually go online, learn different processes of our techniques that we have here. We've sent them to quality of leadership. We give them all the tools they need to succeed. We do an educational reimbursement. If you want to go to a university or a college, we will reimburse you to help you as long as it pertains to the business. And a lot of employees have been taking advantage of that.
Dymax offers salary that's very competitive, especially where we are here in Connecticut. We have a great 401k program. And through our health insurance, we have some incentives and benefits like our Fitbit wearing program where you can earn money for your HSA, as well as kind of your other benefits for disability, vacation time, and you can also do like a purchased vacation week, which is really nice.
Employees at Dymax are recognized for their hard work with Employee of the Month recognition. It's just a way to let everybody know about their accomplishments.
I started Dymax about 3 years ago looking to get back into the production field, looking to get a place where I could call home, and I found it. We do a lot of different perks. We have a great Christmas party. We have a great summer picnic. We do things just to make sure the employees are engaged and they really know that this is a home environment.
I stay at Dymax because I always know that there will be room for personal growth and development, and the company will always promote that for each worker.
It feels like it's the kind of place that you can work for a long time and not just come here, learn one thing, and move on.